Remember those rainy evenings when the aroma of something frying in the kitchen would instantly make everyone gather around? These corn cutlets bring back that same warmth and nostalgia and make a perfect companion to a hot cup of tea. Let's get started. First, heat a pan and add semolina. Dry roast it lightly on a low flame. We don't want to brown it, just roast it gently. Now pour in milk and mix well. Add the milk in intervals, this avoids lumps. Add chopped onions, spring onions and mix well. Add finely chopped capsicum and mix again. Take fresh corn kernels. Grind half of them along with green chilies into a coarse paste and keep the remaining kernels whole. Add the whole corn to the pan, followed by the ground corn mixture. Season with salt, black pepper, chaat masala, and a little garam masala powder, fresh coriander leaves, and breadcrumbs. Mix everything nicely until the mixture comes together and forms a soft dough-like texture. Switch off the flame and squeeze in fresh lemon juice. Give it one final mix. This adds a lovely freshness to the cutlets. Now, grease a tray lightly with oil and sprinkle some breadcrumbs over it. Transfer the prepared mixture into the tray and spread it evenly. Sprinkle another layer of breadcrumbs on top. Place the tray in the freezer for about 10 minutes so the mixture sets properly. Heat oil for frying. Meanwhile, cut the cutlets into desired shapes. Carefully slide the cutlets into the hot oil and fry them until golden brown or crisp. Your crispy golden corn cutlets are ready to serve. Perfect for evenings with hot tea and your favorite chutney. Do try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your family. Until next time, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.